Hi everyone, welcome back to the Lilac house. My name is Crystal and today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. I know, I haven't been in a while, so I feel like I haven't done a Dollar Tree haul, but I needed to buy a couple of things for some upcoming videos and just to have around my house. So some of the things are Christmas, some of them are holiday, some of them are just things we needed. If I keep looking down, I'm dog sitting my sister's dog and she's right next to me. So I'm making sure she's not chewing on anything because she's a puppy. Let's get into this video. So like I said in the intro, this is a little random. I'm gonna start with the just basic things I needed, or the things I didn't need that I bought, and then I'll get into the holiday stuff. And make sure you subscribe because I have a lot of fun holiday videos coming up. I also have another organized video. Okay, I got some stickers. These ones are 56 piece and they're little animals. They're kind of glittery. They're kind of cute. We bought the farm ones last time. We like to take these to church. It keeps them busy doing something. I was just cleaning my car up and I realized I needed more of these little toothpick things. What are these called? Flossers? These are great to have in your car or your purse, because how often are you like, do I have food in my teeth? And you do. And then we bought some stacks. These have become our newest Dollar Tree obsession. I know, but my daughter loves the sour cream and onion chips, and these are actually from the Dollar Tree. They're only $1 at Walmart. They're like $1.25, but we tried the barbecue, mesquite barbecue, and we always get these ones. And we've already opened them. These ones are okay. They're more mesquite flavored. Not my fave, but they're good. And then these are not seasonal items, but I'm actually going to use them for Christmas. So I like to get my Toddler modeling clay for Christmas, and I like the Dollar Tree ones. I have noticed the color will get on your hands, but modeling clay is messy anyway, so that doesn't bother me. For only $1. If you buy a name brand at Walmart, I think it's $6 to $8. So I bought these for just a little gift along with my daughter's Christmas. She's asked for a cookie jar for her little kitchen, and when she said I would like a cookie jar with a black lid, I went, oh, the Dollar Tree has them. So I bought her this, and this is the smaller size. It doesn't say the size on it, but there's a bigger one and then a smaller one. So I'm going to spray paint this black, and I wanted the small one because it'll fit perfectly on her little kitchenette. I actually have made over her kitchen with a lot of Dollar Tree things. So if you're interested in seeing that, let me know and I will show you a tour of her little kitchenette. I'm going to spray paint this. And then also not Christmas related, but delicious, are these Godiva chocolate dome. Have you had these? They are so good. So there's 3 little domes in it, and it's Godiva brand. It says double chocolate. They're really delicious. I'm a chocolate lover, and my sister actually gave me one of these for Halloween as the Great Pumpkin, and oh my gosh, they were so good. I'm going to let you know. I'll put a clip or something around here and let you know if I can find them like at Walmart and if this is a good deal, because they are $1 a piece, but they're delicious. Also, this would be a great addition to a stocking stuffer or like a little gift basket you're giving during the holidays. I like to get my wrapping paper from the Dollar Tree, and I got 3. I was going to, there's 4 of us. I was gonna get 4 wrapping papers, 1 for each person, and then I decided against it because usually I know what the present is, but I may go back. I'll let you know. So I got this one. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it's gold and red, and it's just classic. It goes with everything, I feel like. And then this one has like little snow people and then Christmas tree and little cottage house. And then this one has the gingerbread person and a tree and this lollipop, candy cane, snowflakes. They're all cute, and I thought that they would look cute together under a tree. I feel like we all have an awkward space that needs organized, and I have one, and so for the last month I've been brainstorming how to organize it, and every time I go to the Dollar Tree they're out of the organizers because they get them in different shifts, and I think they're focusing on holidays right now. But today I found 3 of these. You know I like them. You can see my ring light. They are part of I've organized my bathroom with these. I'll link the video up here. And so I'm hoping that these will work out somehow in that awkward cupboard that I'm going to be organizing somehow. It might be awkward. Oh, and then I also thought that this would be a really good idea to give out as a gift basket. So I might be using it for those. I picked them up and I'll see what I do with them. So Robert and I are trying to figure out what new traditions we want to bring into our family along with some of our traditions we had growing up. And now that we have kids, we feel like we can kind of do more traditions. And this was a tradition I thought of when I was at the Dollar Tree. Well, first of all, I knew they have little mailboxes, and my daughter's obsessed with mail. And she loves like making cards. So I was gonna get her one of these anyways, but I ended up getting 3. I'm gonna go back and get one more because there's 4 of us. But I ended up getting 3. I'll probably just get another one of these and then she can choose which ones they want. But they're the little ones. They have larger ones and then they have cardboard ones. My store didn't have the large tin ones. They only had the like cardboard ones, and I wanted ones that will last each year. So I got 3, but what I thought we could do is set these out in December outside of our bedroom doors, and then we can write notes to each other and just give love. And then I also bought things that I can put inside of it for the girls. So I'll show you those next. But I thought that would be a fun little tradition. The first thing that would fit is the stocking decorator. You have to buy the stocking. And I didn't buy one. But this would be cute on paper too. We don't need stockings. We already have our stockings. So I'll decide if I keep it or not. But this is just little things. There's 3 of them. There's like a reindeer, a gingerbread, and a snow person. So bummed now. We'll see if I end up taking it back. And then I got one of these. I don't know if this one will fit, but I could just set it to the side. I wanted the big one so everything would fit, but I realized that these won't even fit in the big one, so I figure the little one's cute. I got these for her too, and these are ornaments that she can paint. She got 2 of them, so she picked these ones out, so I'm assuming she wants her sister to paint too, which is cute. They had lots of these. They had little Santa Clauses and reindeer and stuff, and this one is the stocking and a wreath. And then I also got a pair of Christmas socks, and I'll probably put that in there instead of saving this for a stocking stuffer, because these are all holiday, and if you save Christmas items for stocking stuffers, they don't usually get used because Christmas is over. So I'll try and do something beforehand with them. During the holidays too, I like to do little activities, and I love the activities the Dollar Tree has. Have you noticed the Dollar Tree is carrying more winter wear? I don't know if they always carry it or if this is new, but I bought 2 gloves for me and Robert. I do not know what happened when I sat down to edit. The last half of my footage was bad. I can't get to it. It's just me like this. So I'm gonna end it there. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you remember that you are amazing and you are loved. Bye.